You're going to use the Canvas app and you're going to move around the camera. This is going to create that computer animated design file or the CAD file that you'll need to create the 3D rendering. Go ahead and select the red button and you start recording. It's going to ask you to move the phone in a pattern like this. So once you do that, it orients the phone and that way it knows where it should start taking measurements. And then all you do is just start painting the wall. Now it scans through objects, it can scan through this glass, but we're going to open it up anyway. Like that, we're done scanning the home. Next it's going to say, do you want to view the scan or get CAD? Let's go ahead and view it to make sure that it's the one we want. And if you get close up here, it looks like the Matterport tour, where you're able to look at the home and the floor plan. Scan looks good. So what we're going to want to do now is just rename this. By clicking up top, you're going to want to scan this and we'll say this is bedroom 1, bathroom. And then it would title it up there. When you're ready to get the CAD files, you're going to push this Get CAD and you can use the SketchUp file format or you can do the AutoCAD. So the estimated cost for a CAD file is $17.50. This saves you about 2 months of drawing this by hand.